Hi guys, it's your boy Play PV. Today I'm going to show you how to make an overlay for your vertical videos. It looks like just normal, but still, your videos don't look lame with those black bars. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, first ever you have to take a photo of your screen, also known as screenshot. After you have done that, you and go to Photoshop. Okay guys, now you need this app known as Adobe Photoshop Touch. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below. So yeah, first ever when you have downloaded, go and press this image button, then go to photo library, not photo library, go to blank document, and you should have this width and height. Go and copy it, then press OK. Then this page will come up. Now go and press this button and press the plus button, then go to photo layer, and then photo library, then go to the screenshot you just took. Now make it with the size. Wait. Yep, that looks good. Now after that, you should go and take a photo. Go to photo layer and photo library, and take this photo of an table or bench like this. Now make it big, make sure it covers all of it. Now take your photo, the screenshot layer, and put it up here. Now you will see this looks very cool but not amazing. So yeah, now go and go to photo library again, and you go and download this mobile photo and make it big so it covers the. So okay guys, sorry for this part, I have to skip this part because of the phone part. It took me a really long time to make it fit. So yeah, this looks good. Now you will see that it looks like it's on a mobile. I'll take this and press this button, go and merge down. Now go and press this, the screenshot photo layer, then go press this button, then press select pixels. Now go and press this layer, then go and press clear. There we go. Now if you do this, now you have this type of photo. Now you can edit it from the sides. I'm going to edit it. Let's go to photo library. Let's put some stuff. You can put like an headphone on the sides. Let's make it big. Nope, no. This, but it should not cover the mobile, the photo. Wait. There we go. right there. Now you also can do is if you want you can put more stuff in it. Yeah, that's and now how it's going to work, let me show you. Now take this like that, then press done, then go and save. After it's saved, go press this button, then press save to gallery, and make sure the type it is PNG. Take the photo you just made and press OK. After that, go to so guys, when you are here on KineMaster, go and I'm also going to leave a link to this app in the description below. So first of all, press this cinematic button, then go to empty project, then press media, then go to your video where you have made the vertical video. Here I have one vertical video. I was trying to make it, so yeah, a video, but it didn't work, or you can say I was trying the recorder. So yeah, first of all, press the layer button, then go to media, and then go to upload Photoshop touch folder, and then press this photo. Now go and resize it so it covers it like that. Now that will make it end with the video where the vertical video ends. There you go. Now you will see it looks like this. You will see it will look like this. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video, and make sure you leave us like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.